Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Today I will show you different techniques and tips to edit your videos quickly and easily with Adobe After Effects. To get started, we need to create a composition. If we drag one of the video clips to this symbol here, we will create a composition maintaining the same clip settings. So now from Composition Settings, we can modify the name of the composition. Additionally, we will start the timer at 0 and set a duration of 10 seconds. The background color will remain black. To start editing, we just need to double-click on the clip to enter layer mode. If we click on this symbol, we establish the entry point. In the same way, if we click on this other symbol, we establish the exit point. Let's go back to normal mode and we drag the other two clips. We will be repeating the same process quickly using these two clips. With a double click, we enter layer mode and set the entry point and exit point. Made. Remember to return to normal mode to be able to work without problems. Well, now we select the first clip, and while holding down the Shift key, we select the last clip. Let's go to Animation, Keyframe Assist, Sequence Layers, and click on OK. Let's take a look. We can see that we already have our videos cut and placed to our liking. OK, now I'm going to create a transition. We select the first layer and go to Effects, Blur and Sharpen, Camera Lens Blur, and from the Effects panel in the Blur Radius option, we create a keyframe about a second before our clip ends, and we lower the value to 0. We advance to the end of the clip and set it to 50. Next, we go to the beginning of the next video. And apply the same effect again. Let's create a keyframe. In this case, we apply 50 at the beginning. We advance about 1 second and lower the value to 0. And let's see how it turns out. Now let's create a fade to black in the last clip. We move forward to the middle of the clip and create a keyframe on the opacity. Again, we move forward a second and lower the opacity to 0%. In this way, we create a fade to black very easily. To finish, we will add a slight noise effect to give our final result a warmer touch. To do this, we go to Layer, Adjustment Layer. Make sure to place the adjustment layer above all other layers. With the adjustment layer selected, we apply the noise effect. When you apply an effect on an adjustment layer, it will affect all the layers below it. And we apply 8% noise. And if we preview, voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.